When I first interacted with these kids, I realized they come from different backgrounds, different states in India, different situations in their life. One thing which was very common, that they were all using substances in their life from the age of 7, 6 to 18, 19, 20. All of them were using drugs. Some of them have ran away because the parents were very, very poor. There are a lot of children, or they ran away because stepmother, alcoholic father, or they wanted to see the film stars. Or there were children who were born on the street because their parents ran away from home. They just needed some help every day just to survive. And I wanted these kids to live, not survive. The mobility of the streets, all the chaos that goes on the street, that is all ingrained in them. So how to get this child off and put him into a program where he understands himself, understands the society, the mainstream, and how he can get back into the mainstream, which he is not right now. This decision center is very important in a child's life, because here he comes all with his problems, with his abuse, with his everyday survival problems, and plus taking drugs. And there we do a lot of discussion with the child. We build up a rapport with the child. We have a medical help. We have food given. A child may take 1 month, another child may take 6 months, another child may take just 1 day. So it depends, on each child. Each child we have to concentrate and understand where his agony is. We also like, a government body to know about that we have picked up this child from the street and we are going to put him into a detoxification and a future programs. So once they come to the detoxification, it's a whole interaction with the child, because the child goes through tremendous pain. One is physical pain, and second is obsession to go away from this place. And he doesn't try, the drugs inside tries level hard to get out. Then after that, the child thinks since his pain is all gone, the drugs are all gone. But that is not true. So we have to again put him into another program which is called rehabilitation. Very unique about support is ours is a very long-term program. The child, if he comes at the age of 6, he literally stays with us for 10 years, because we cannot send him back to the same situation from where he has come. He has to become strong enough to deal with those situations. If the children are, say, at the age of 17, 18, then they stay with us for shorter duration. Then they go for vocational training. So vocational training has got different sections. One is catering, carpentry, welding, screen printing, housekeeping. So the kid is put up in different sections. So whichever he chooses, then he can develop in that. Many of these children who come for vocational training, they are hardly educated, they are not literate at all. So we not only detoxify these children, the rehabilitation we do, but with the rehabilitation we also have non-formal education. Our group sessions is also taken by our peer facilitators or the staff who have been from the same target group, and the kind of sharing that they do, it has a lot of impact on the kids, on the youth, or on everybody, all of us. I realized after working 23 years in this field, you have to be as desperate to change the child, transform the child, as the child is desperate for drugs. You have to teach the child that he is a God's gift and he must learn to love himself, understand himself, and live happily.